In this video, we will show how to calculate the angles in a right triangle within another right triangle. So here we go, solve for all angles in the triangle at right. You'll notice we have a right triangle on the outside, and then we have an altitude, so we have two smaller right triangles. So if we look at this medium triangle right here, that's a 90-degree angle, so that's a 50, so this must be 40. Then looking at the big triangle, if this is a right angle and this is a 40, then this must be a 50. And then we can look at the small triangle, right angle here. So if that's 50, that must be 40. And now an independent check to see if we did it all right. This is a 90-degree angle, so that's a 50. So that again must be a 40. So we've got the big right triangle, 40 and 50, which are complementary. We've got the middle right triangle here, 50 and 40. So again, those are complementary. And then we've got another right triangle here. So if that's 40, that's 50, and they all match up. And then we know we did it right.